Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Today we cover our mock test part 1 e-business in which we ask some question and you have to answer it in 5 seconds. So now let's start our question first. Which of the following factors collectively shaped the emergence of e-business? So these are the options: technology only, government policy only, globalization only, all of the above. So your time starts now. And the answer is D, all of the above. Now let's go to question number second. Which of these is a direct benefit of e-business for companies? So these are the option: higher rent cost, greater operating expenses, lower operating cost, reduced online presence. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, lower operating cost. Now let's go to question number 3. Which of the following is a business to business B2B e-commerce platform? So these are the options: Amazon, Alibaba, Facebook, Instagram. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, Alibaba. Now let's go to question number 4. SSL technology is primarily used in e-business for. So these are the options: improving advertisement, securing online transaction, increasing brand loyalty, offering discounts. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, securing online transaction. Now let's go to question number 5. Which of the following is an example of a subscription based e-business model? So these are the option: Walmart, Netflix, Target, eBay. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, Netflix. Now let's go to question number 6. Driving traffic to a website through paid online ads is known as. So these are the option: influencer marketing, viral marketing, pay-per-click advertising, SEO. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, pay-per-click advertising. Now let's go to question number 7. Using large data sets to study customer behavior is called. So these are the option: CRM, SEO, data mining, ERP. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, data mining. Now let's go to question number 8. Which of the following is true about Amazon's fulfillment services where customers track their order status online? So these are the option: only e-business, only e-commerce, both e-business and e-commerce, none. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, both e-business and e-commerce. Now let's go to question number 9. Which software automates supply chain and procurement activities for companies? So these are the option: ERP, CRM, MIS, DSS. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, ERP. Now let's go to question number 10. Pantaloons in-store activities such as receiving goods and recording stock can be described as. So these are the option: value delivery activities, value chain activities, value creation activities, none. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, value chain activities. Now let's go to question number 11. Gartner's hype cycle shows that when a technology reaches the plateau of productivity, it means. So these are the options: product is in hype stage, market is still disillusioned, product is mature and widely adopted, product is declining. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, product is mature and widely adopted. Now let's go to question number 12. ITC's e-Chopal initiative improved which aspects of agriculture? So these are the options: supply chain, sales, accountability, retail outlets. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, supply chain. Now let's go to question number 13. Paying income tax online is an example of which e-transaction? So these are the options G2C, G2B, C2C, B2B. So your time starts now. And the answer is G2C. Now let's go to question number 14. Which of the following is not typically part of ERP systems? So these are the options manufacturing, sales and marketing, warehouse management, building infrastructure. So your time starts now. And the answer is D, building infrastructure. Now let's go to question number 15. Booking an online ticket involves which two flows? So these are the option information and money, material and information, only material, none. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, information and money. Now let's go to question number 16. Data scientists usually operate at which level of management? So these are the options senior, middle, operational, clerical. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, senior. Now let's go to question number 17. Information can best be defined as. So these are the options raw data, processed data that has meaning, data without context, none. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, processed data that has meaning. Now let's go to question number 18. Which of the following is not a resource of an information system? So these are the options people, data, software, building. So your time starts now. And the answer is D, building. Now let's go to question number 19. A system that captures operational data in real time is. So these are the options TPS, MIS, DSS, ESS. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, TPS. Now let's go to question number 20. A grade sheet prepared by an ERP system is an example of. So these are the options TPS output, DSS output, MIS report, ESS. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, TPS output. Now let's go to question number 21. Google Maps route recommendation is an example of. So these are the options TPS, DSS, MIS, CRM. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, DSS. Now let's go to question number 22. Which of the following is not a knowledge representation method in expert systems? So these are the options rule based, case based, object based, hardware based. So your time starts now. And the answer is D, hardware based. Now let's go to question number 23. Analyzing click stream data for customer behavior is an example of. So these are the options event drive, decision support, data driven decision support, mathematical modeling, none. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, data driven decision support. Now let's go to question number 24. The quality of information that ensures it is current whenever accessed is called. So these are the options reliability, timeliness, currency, frequency. So your time starts now. And the answer is the currency. Now let's go to question number 25. Which of the following is not an e-procurement model? So these are the option internet B2B auction, internet C2B auction, market exchanges, e-procurement software. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, internet C2B auction. So thank you friends for watching our mock test e-business part 1. We will meet in next video. So thank you friends for watching our video.